Alright guys, so today's a little bit of a change of plans. End up going to the junkyard yesterday. I had to get new seats for the bolts, and I ended up finding something that, well, is kind of unheard of in the junkyard. I'm going to be getting new seats. They're a little bit older. These are 2016. I'm going to be getting 2010, but they're 2010 unripped, faded, and really damaged leather Chrysler 300 seats. They're a little more flat up at the top. They don't have this concave right here, but I'm just gonna have to deal with it. I want black leather. I prefer black leather. They also have it right here, the piece for the part of the seatbelt that bolts there, so then it runs up and it runs back down to the motor right there, which is awesome. Gives it a little bit easier. They don't have these on it, but I'm gonna see if I can steal these off of these and put them back on this. Also too, I'm gonna take some measurements for my back seat. I wanna see if my back seat will work. With width, the depth I know is gonna be it's gonna be a little off, but I wanna see what the width is of this, and then when I go to the junkyard, I'm gonna see what the width is of that. And if possible, I'm gonna take them and then see if I can somehow manage to get them on this frame. I just think it would be cool. Like I said, I might have to shorten it up, but I think it'd be cool to have a little bit of a concave with the cup holder and then the headrest. Who really knows? This is more of a straight back where the car is a little more curved, but I'm gonna see what I can do, see how they work. After I get back from the junkyard, I'm gonna change out at least the driver's seat, see what I can. I found the air vent for the radio, so I'm gonna be putting that in, or for the bezel, I'm gonna be putting that in, getting the rest of the AC all buttoned up for the interior of the cab, start tucking some wires. I'm gonna use this piece of steel that I used originally for the seat, and I'm gonna see if I can cut it down and make a support that goes under the steering wheel, because the support that went right through here I had to remove. But yeah, that's really it. Also, I have a few other things. I posted a message on the discussion. I just want to get your guys' feedback when it comes to certain things. Would you rather see short videos and more often, like 5 to 10 minute videos? Or would you rather see longer videos with the actual like breakdown and kind of a time lapse of me working on it? Say 10 to 15, maybe a little longer videos. Just let me know in the comments, and see what we can do. I'm probably going to run with a little bit of the shorter video, or I don't really know what I'm doing yet. We'll see how the filming goes out today. All right, guys, we'll take it easy for right now, and I'll bring you back when I get to the junkyard. What is up? So, out here in the junkyard, one of the things I wanted to get today was a steering wheel. The problem is most junkyards won't let you keep these. So because they won't let me keep that, well, the only other thing I could do, strip the skin off of it. There's nothing in there. I will be probably trying to reuse my airbag in some way or another. If not, I'll just order an undamaged one from Dodge or an aftermarket company, put it back in here. Besides this little white paint right here, which I think I can get off, not bad, not super worn away steering wheel. I mean, it's not perfect, but not super worn away. So I'll have me a 4th gen steering wheel. I wish it was black, but from what I can gather, they don't come in black. So I may do leather around it or something. I'll figure it out. At least none of the ones are not 4th gen, 3rd gen. I'm unable to find a 3rd gen black steering wheel if they do come in them. Next, I'm trying to get the clock spring Now this isn't a 3rd gen Ram, it's a Durango, but from what I can gather, the spline on that is the same, and I think the spline in the wheel is the same too. If not, well, then it's like a $10 thing, and I'll just go get a 3rd gen clock spring. Because from what I can gather, you do need this to be able to reuse the steering wheel and trigger things. So let's go from there. Let's get this done and out, and then yeah, then we'll jump on to the next one, which is the seats. I was debating on doing the back seat. The sad thing is there is a 3-inch difference, or a 10-inch difference between, let me try to find this hole. Sorry, I'm just trying to, you're kidding me. That won't fit up in there. Or is it not? Different size. There is a 10-inch difference between the width. So at that standing, I am unable to put the back seat in the Dodge. Now there are some 3rd gen back seats here, but they aren't leather, so I'm kind of just not even gonna go for those. But let me try and get this clock spring out, and I'll bring you back when I get to the chairs. Alright guys, what's up? So I'm over here. These are the seats. Sorry. Let me go through. Let me flip the camera around, and then I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right. So besides like a little dust right there, it's not bad. There's 2 spots there and 1 spot here. Besides that, they're generally unmolested seats. Now, these are the back seats. Overall, from front to back, is 2 inches longer. The side to side, from here all the way over to that side, there is a 3-inch difference, or a 6-inch overall. So 3 inches on each side difference. What I'm thinking though is I'll remove this piece. I'll make a piece of wood on my stock frame, and then I'll get upholstery foam, cut it the shape it needs, wrap it in leather, and do the top thicker. I'll take these ones just to see, but maybe I'll just duplicate it and make it thicker. And then the bottom of the seat, same thing. I'll cut a piece of wood that goes onto the frame, and I'll just basically follow this line and bring it out around as far as I need out so that it would sit nice. But this is why I mainly want to do this. Cup holder in the back with an armrest, matching front and back black leather seats.